Hey boss, I'm remaking this video for you real quick, but I think it'll be pretty informational for you. Hey Cortana, does ranking #1 on Google increase sales? Every business and a website owner dreams of ranking #1. The reasons are clear. Reaching that top spot or even one would mean increased traffic to your site and the potential for sales to catapult your business ahead of the competition. Fortunately, high rankings rarely don't, won't, and never ever will happen by chance. Alright. So we type in auto glass repair Costas Adobes, which is a really small town or suburb outside of Tucson. Right? These are the top dudes that pop up for that. And this is you right here. Okay? So in this town, yeah, you're getting the calls for there. Alright? But when it comes to Tucson and the surrounding areas, the bigger market, these are the top guys. So anytime someone searches for windshield repair in Tucson, or it'll say windshield repair near me if they live in Tucson, right? These top dogs, Safelite, these are the nationally wide companies, right? I don't like to see these guys in the top spot because they're taking food out of the small guys' mouths. But I will tell you, it is possible for local businesses, not these national wide companies, to outrank them. I'll show you an example, right? Okay, I helped this dude right here. I'm not the hero. I'm just trying to show you how it's possible to outrank Speedy Light and Safelite, right? Even though I haven't tended to this in a while, but they're still above them. Like especially volume wise and call wise. Okay, so I'm gonna review these key elements real quick. So key element #1 is have your map listing, which anchors you in the town you want to rank in. Or you have your map listing. Even though it's in the burbs, the suburbs, this is only like 20-minute drive, if that. You can still rank in Tucson. So this is still #1. You have your map listing. Check. Alright. #2 is citations. What you'll be doing is getting like your NAP info cited on local business directories, social media directories. You're just being cited all over the internet, okay? #3 is content. And content is the words on your website, and they must be authoritative and relevant to searchers. I know you don't have a website, so what I did was throw you a website together real quick. Arizona glass repair, right? It's click to call, which is important. Someone clicks on that if they're on their cell phone. If someone's on their cell phone, all they have to do is tap on that number. This is just to show you what a mobile-friendly website would look like. If you're on your cell phone, you'll see what I'm talking about when you click on that number right there. Okay. And then content, so having a lot of content on your website, and then backlinks. Okay, these are the next things. Like having backlinks is like having a lot of votes from other websites, and it'll kind of boost you up. So if you do want to start ranking in Tucson, this is how you do it with these utilizing these key elements. Okay, I know you don't have a lot of time. I know you're pretty busy, but yeah, man, just feel free to reach out to me if you have any more questions or want to learn more. Okay, there's a lot, to discuss about this. Pretty much, it doesn't matter what it is. You can still rank in Tucson or any of these keywords. Still, like Speedy, these big top companies are just taking over, but really, Google wants to see these smaller businesses start taking over, like Dwight and some of these small guys back here. Right, these are all small time guys that need business, right? But I'm specifically talking to you. Okay. All right, man. Also, man, you can visit autoglassmarketingpro.com. Download this free guide. If you do choose to, build a website yourself, this guide will help you pretty much like the template of what all you should have, okay, when doing that. Okay, thank you for watching.